The debate rages on. Are electric vehicles truly better for the environment than gasoline-powered cars? In this video, we'll break down the differences, from manufacturing to driving, to determine which is the greener choice. But that's not all. We'll also explore several solutions that are already available and can be implemented to significantly reduce emissions. So, stick around to not miss out which type of vehicle is better for the environment. Let's start with the basics. How do electric and gas-powered vehicles compare when it comes to manufacturing? For electric vehicles, lithium, cobalt, and nickel are key minerals for batteries. Mining these resources can have environmental impacts, such as habitat destruction and water pollution. For gas-powered vehicles, oil and natural gas extraction can lead to habitat destruction, water contamination, and greenhouse gas emissions. Electric vehicle manufacturing generally requires more energy due to battery production. However, the overall energy consumption over the vehicle's lifetime is often lower. Electric vehicles consume electricity, while gas-powered vehicles consume fossil fuels. The environmental impact depends on the source of electricity. Now, let's talk about emissions. When it comes to tailpipe emissions, electric vehicles are a clear winner. But what about other factors? Electric vehicles produce fewer greenhouse gas emissions during operation, especially when powered by renewable energy sources. However, the manufacturing process can have a higher carbon footprint. For gas-powered vehicles, burning fossil fuels releases carbon dioxide, a major contributor to climate change. Electric vehicles produce zero tailpipe emissions, reducing air pollution and improving air quality in cities. For gas-powered vehicles, burning fossil fuels releases harmful pollutants like particulate matter, nitrogen oxides, and volatile organic compounds. Electric vehicles are generally quieter than gas-powered vehicles, especially at low speeds. This can reduce noise pollution in urban areas. For gas-powered vehicles, internal combustion engines produce noise pollution, which can negatively impact human health and the environment. To fully realize the environmental benefits of electric vehicles, we need to address the source of their electricity. Using renewable energy sources like solar and wind power to charge electric vehicles can significantly reduce their overall environmental impact. Integrating renewable energy sources into the electrical grid can help meet the growing demand for electricity from electric vehicles. The development of a robust charging infrastructure is crucial for widespread adoption of electric vehicles. This includes public charging stations and home charging options. Expanding the network of charging stations can help address range anxiety, which is a concern for many potential electric vehicle buyers. Investing in charging infrastructure will be essential for the transition to electric vehicles and the reduction of greenhouse gas emissions. Now, it's time to answer the big question you all ask yourselves: are electric vehicles good for the environment compared to gasoline-powered vehicles? The answer is yes, electric vehicles are generally better for the environment compared to gas-powered vehicles. However, it's important to note that the environmental impact of electric vehicles also depends on the source of electricity used to charge them. If the electricity comes from fossil fuel power plants, the overall emissions may be higher. Therefore, the environmental benefits of electric vehicles are most significant when they are powered by renewable energy sources. If you're learning something new in this video, give it a like, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell to encourage us for making more videos like this. While a complete elimination of vehicle pollution may take time, several solutions are already available and can be implemented to significantly reduce emissions. 1. Transition to electric vehicles. Encourage the adoption of electric vehicles through incentives, charging infrastructure development, and consumer education. Ensure that electric vehicles are powered by renewable energy sources to minimize their overall environmental impact. 2. Promote walking and cycling. Create safe and accessible infrastructure for walking and cycling. Also, promote active transportation as a healthy and environmentally friendly alternative to driving.
3. Public transportation.
Invest in public transportation systems to encourage people to use alternatives to personal vehicles. Offer affordable, reliable, and convenient public transportation options.
4.
Hybrid vehicles. Hybrid vehicles offer a transitional step towards electric vehicles by combining electric motors with gasoline engines. Hybrids can significantly reduce emissions compared to traditional gas-powered vehicles.
5. Improved fuel efficiency.
Invest in research and development to improve the fuel efficiency of gas-powered vehicles. Also, optimize vehicle design, aerodynamics, and engine technology to reduce fuel consumption.
6. Urban planning.
Develop urban planning strategies that promote denser, more walkable cities. Also, create mixed-use neighborhoods that combine residential, commercial, and recreational areas to reduce the need for long commutes.
7.
Transportation management systems. Implement intelligent transportation systems to improve traffic management and reduce congestion. Also, promote shared transportation options to reduce the number of vehicles on the road. By implementing these solutions, we can significantly reduce vehicle pollution and contribute to a cleaner and healthier environment. The debate over electric vehicles is complex, but one thing is clear: the future of transportation is evolving rapidly. By embracing innovative technologies and making informed choices, we can create a cleaner and more sustainable future for our planet. The future of transportation is evolving rapidly, starting with autonomous vehicles. Check this video that appears on the screen to learn about these amazing cars. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.